Atımtai Jomart, despite being extremely wealthy, chose to live humbly. Every day, he wore old clothes, chopped firewood, carried hay, and worked hard. One day, his close friends asked him why he did this instead of enjoying his riches and living comfortably. Jomart replied with 4 reasons. First, he feared that fancy things might make him forget to help others and make him look down on the poor. Second, he believed in working hard to set a good example for others to follow. Third, he enjoyed the simple pleasure of earning his own bread each day, finding it more satisfying than relying on others. Fourth, he worried about misusing his wealth and not using it for good, which would be disrespectful to the one who gave him his blessings. In this way, Atımtai Jomart showed that true wealth comes not just from money, but from humility, hard work,